Hello?
What's up, Alex? How's your Wednesday going? Am I too loud? Did I peak? That seemed like it was loud. I saw that in the red. That looked bad. My audio is all over the place. We'll just, back at work. Oh. Yeah, that's shit. I'm sorry. Uh. Well, I was inexplicably tired again today, even though I went to bed at a reasonable hour and then set my alarm for 8 hours after that. I still felt like crap, so I laid in bed for a little too long. That's all right. We're moving now at 2 in the afternoon. Last night I was looking at the pipes for the pipe desk situation. And I think the last time people were talking about oh, you get those pipes cheaper from somewhere else. And then I went and compared the price. I gotta look at it. I could turn on more light. Hang on. We can. There's a little more light. What's up, Emiliana? Also, one of my Hue bulbs right above my desk has died. So, and I haven't replaced it because I don't want to replace them with Hue bulbs. I want to transition to matter and thread bulbs, but I don't have a thread border router yet. So I gotta solve that problem before I can order more bulbs. Ugh. But we're gonna get there. It's gonna happen. It's just not super high priority. What's up, Damage? I'm hanging in there. Oh, Drew. Not Damage. Drew. I got it before you typed it. How you doing, buddy? As soon as I said Damage, I was like, wait a second. I'm slow today, alright? There's not enough caffeine in the world to keep me propped up. A tiki bar? Oh, that's fun. Did they have it synced to the music or with a pattern or something going? Or was it just hella moody? Oh, hell yeah. I love Home Assistant. Oh, it's back here. It's on screen. It's so good. Notably, they improved their Android TV integration. So, let's see. Hang on. I'll just go to this. I can, my Android TV, I no longer need a separate remote because I just have, the buttons, built into the dashboard. My dashboard's super sloppy, but it's, if I was more inclined, I could make it nicer. But it's, way easier to tell the Android TV to start a particular show now. I used to have to, write custom ADB commands and keep a persistent ADB connection to my to my TV just to start a show, and I was like, this is crazy. But now they've implemented a proper remote API, and I'm like, damn, it is slick. Although it still shows com.hulu.living room plus. It doesn't know how to get the app name, but we're getting there. It's progress. Oh, that's cool, Alex. How's it going, Nomadic? Allie, hello! Either way, I really love Home Assistant, even if it is written in Python, which drives me crazy. It does its job really well. I'm probably going to end up ordering Nabukasa Home Assistant's I don't want to say parent company, but the company that's attached to the Home Assistant. people, they manufacture a Thread USB stick that I will most likely be buying to start my border router. I'm not a snake charmer. No, I hate that. I hate that snake. What's the line from Indiana Jones gets in the plane? He's like, I hate snakes, Chuck. I hate them. Yeah, that's me. I hate the python. Yeah, you can swear. Fucking snakes, man. This is the internet. We're not broadcast TV. The FCC can't get us here. They gave up all their power over the internet. When they changed out the chair of the FCC, they gave up all their power over the internet. It's a lawless land now. I'm so sorry, Allie. That's horrible. Do they give you sick pay for that? I feel like they should give you sick pay or some sort of like workers' comp. Had to write Java code. Here's your workers' comp check. We have to do a little. I didn't realize what day it was, and our deal for the day is we have to build a landing page. I work with the tickets. Oh, you're like the production person. You keep brain dead people like me on task. All my contract work, I had basically the same great producer, and now that I'm on my own, working on my own stuff, I'm like, damn, where's the producer to like tell me to focus? I need a producer. I think they're called like, what's your job title? They're called producers in game dev, but what are they called in not like game dev? Like project manager or something like that? I don't know. We salute you for your service. Oh, okay. That's fine. I just know they're not called producers like outside of game dev. Oh, support engineer. You don't analyze the business. You don't walk around the office and be like, yep, this is a business. I've done a thorough analysis and concluded that we are indeed doing business. I'm not sure anyone knows what it means. That's the beauty of the title. It sounded more official than Stuff Doer. Cat Wrangler. Jira Jangler. Jangle the Jira tickets over top of the developers. Why haven't you resolved this ticket? Resolve the ticket! We gotta make a website today for Kitchen Gladiators. That's what Kitchen Gladiators is, our monthly culinary club for the cooking side of this stream. And I bought a domain for it, labyrinth.food, because I found out .food is the top level domain, which is hilarious. So I got labyrinth.food, but I haven't put up anything on the website. And for a while, I was like, oh, okay, I'll just make it point towards the link tree. But in order to get HTTPS to redirect to the link tree, you need to like pay extra to the domain service for like them to host a HTTPS certificate. And I'm like, that I just wanted to redirect, like, shit, dude. So I'm not going to do that. What we're going to do instead is make a nice little landing page, just a one pager type thing, with like some links, little stylistic stuff on it, hopefully, and then throw that up on Netlify and point the domain at it. So it's probably going to take most of the day. So I don't know how much castmate work we're going to get done, but you know, we got to do our Kitchen Gladiator stuff. So I need to make a new folder. Do I already have... okay, that's my... Oh, wait. It's just under programming. We also have the Discord bot we might need to do. Hell yeah. Love a good ticket. Sometimes when I'm like doing game dev stuff, like I'm an engine developer, so I don't like play around in the levels a whole lot, you know? So sometimes I'll get assigned like some sort of bug and they'll be like, "Oh yeah, it's like over by the swing set." And I'm like, where's the swing set? Like, aren't we a game about castles? Like, where the hell is there a swing set? So then I have to like go through the levels and I'm like typing names into the search bar because you can like filter the world based on all the items in it. I'm like swing set and like nothing comes up and I'm like flying around and I like look at the screenshots. I'm like, okay, so like the sun is coming from this angle, so the camera has to be facing this way. Like, where is this mythical swing set? So you know. Love a good detailed ticket that's like, it's in this level on this asset. And I'm like, oh, thank you. I can go to the... it's like 2 clicks. But sometimes I'm like, I don't know where this is. I don't know where this is in the level. I spent the last 3 days in shaders. I don't know where this is. So that's always a fun ticket. All right, let's make a new folder here. KG-website, I think. And open in the terminal, and then we do a code, because I'm lazy. Terminal, new terminal, there we go. All right, now. I think, do I have to do, how do we create a Nux project? Getting started with Nuxt v4. I don't really need Nuxt, but I want to at least start it with Nuxt. Oh shit, am I supposed to be up 1 level? Is it gonna... it's gonna do it. Hang on. Alright, let's kill this. Hold up. Hold up. We can do this. No, nothing's using it. I closed it. Yeah. Yes, I want it. What are you talking about? Nothing's using it. Delete the folder. You bastard. Fine. We're gonna ignore it. Is it gonna cause problems? Maybe. I don't know. Sure. Override its contents. Give me yarn. I really hate that all like the project creator things that they make for Node seem to want you to be in the directory above where you want the thing. And it's like, no, just let me go to the directory where I want the shit and just put it in the folder. But instead, I have to like close out everything, go up the folder above, create the thing, then open up the folder. I'm like, that is not the workflow. Would I like to give you data usage? No, I don't want to give you data usage. Initialize a Git repository? Sure, why not? Would I like to install the official modules? Sure. Hey! You didn't let me select them! Bastard! What the fuck? Alright, whatever. Alright, now we got our... Wait, you initialize the Git repository, but you didn't create the initial commit? Let's make sure it runs first. Oh, there it is. And then Shift-Alt-D. Whoa! Nux DevTools. Get started. Oh, wow. Look at all that. All right, get out of my face. Wow! Okay. Nuxt route announcer. The hell is a Nuxt route announcer? Yeah, that's exactly what I wanted when I hit F12. Nuxt welcome. You're gonna make this difficult for me, aren't you? That's what we're doing. Views. Components. Layouts. Okay. Yeah, who would want the default template to have all this shit? Now I gotta look up how to set up this? 'Cause you didn't do it for me? Isn't that the whole purpose of having a goddamn creation system? No? Okay, we'll do it ourselves. It's fine. It's fine. Pages, I think. Yes. We need a pages. We need a new file. We need a layout. No. We need a new folder layouts, I think. And then we need a new file, default.view. And then we can copy paste layout default. Okay, so in our app.view, oh my goodness. If you only have a single layout, we recommend using app.view with Nux page instead. Okay, well, fuck that then. Oh, what? There we go. All right, we got a nothing. And we do index.view, and we do a template /template, and we put a little placeholder. Hello, this is page. Refresh. Is it because we have a layout, we don't have a default layout, and we just do a Nux page? We'll be working on white screen. Unable. Create a view component in the pages directory to enable next page. But I did! See how I have an index.view? What a wonderful warning. Pages. I have a pages. We're gonna hot module load. Create a view component. I did! What's up, Apex? The Hobby Lobby? I haven't been in a Hobby Lobby in like probably 15 years. I don't have any blue light glasses. For a while I did have that like mode in Windows that like turned on the blue light filter after like 8 p.m. or something like that. But when I reinstalled Windows, I forgot to turn it back on. But today we're making a landing page for the Kitchen Gladiators. I had bought a domain, and I need to point the domain to something. So we're making like a little landing page. We'll have that little minnow there, a link to the Discord, a little blurb about it, maybe some nice looking CSS or something like that. That too. You tweak all your colors and the filter goes off and you're like, oh no. That's my side monitors. My side monitors have terrible color reproduction. So if I edit CSS with like the page on the side, I'll be like, oh, that looks nice. And then I'll move it over to the main monitor. I'll be like, oh God. It's so violent. But we're replacing these side monitors. When I order my parts for my new desk, I'm getting new side monitors. It's time. They're 9 years old. They have terrible colors. They've got... You can't even see it. But there's like... They're VESA mounted, but the desk thing that it normally sits on doesn't detach, so there's just like this dangling like thing on the bottom of it. They're really cheap. They were $90 9 years ago. They're like nothing. Yeah, I've been meaning to Dremel them off for years, but no, they're getting recycled. I don't even have the stands anymore. I might keep one. This one isn't broken, so I might keep it just for like monitor debugging. Put in the closet. This guy, this far one, that's like over here, this one, it's dead. Put them in the kitchen. I already have one monitor in the kitchen. I have two monitors in the kitchen. So I guess I could put one up on top of the cabinet so I could read chat. While doing dishes. Thoughts? Put a fireplace on it. That's a high fireplace. Oh, put it in the cabinet. You just open it and there's fire in the cabinet. Oh. All right, I'm gonna restart. I think the dev thingy didn't realize that I put a page there. Nope. Create a view component in the pages directory. Do I not have a pages directory? Like, am I crazy? Oh, does it have to be in under app? I wonder. Oh, it's under app. It's under the app folder. All right. All right, life is improving. Hello, this is Paige. All right. Kill that. All righty. How do we do... I'm going to start with layouts, even though we don't technically need one. Why would you do that? Did you see the beta for Elgato Stream Deck? No? What's up, Jan? Are they, like, redoing their Stream Deck software finally? In the, like, Elgato dev Discord. Oh. Got a notification. Oh, that's for the virtual... That's Creator Club stuff. Where'd I put the Elgato? You're not Elgato. I think I've lost it. All right, there it is. Oh. Oh, there's Marketplace Connect 1.0. Oh, the virtual. Still coding a lot for the app release. Oh, did they like... I heard something about like 5... like GPT-5 is annoying or something. How do we set the layout in Nuxt? Views, assets, routing. Route validation. I don't want that. Layers. Testing, pre-rendering, server, data fetching, transitions, SEO and meta, routing, assets, views. Oh my god. Layouts. Okay. Wait, that's working? No, it's not working. That's fair enough. Next, set layout for page. Layouts, directory structure, default layout, named layouts. Define page meta. Thank you. That's what I wanted. Alrighty. We get here. Layout. It should be landing. There we go. Now I can put a thing in here. And there it is. That's love to see it. All right. I think we technically for our landing just need a slot. But no. We can rename this and make it default. All right. Now we have a separate layout when we add extra pages. Do we need that today? No, but I wanted to get that set up for later. So the question here is, if I go into style, let's do a style scoped, but let's also do a style unscoped, and I do dot body, and I do background color blue. Do I get an oppressive blue background? Oh, it's not dot body, it's just body. There we go, we get our oppressive blue background. Hooray! Okay, we can stop that. All right, we need to find some assets. What are you warning about? Oh, it's this. Okay, it's fine. Okay. If we go to the Kitchen Gladiators Discord, it's Heron's Discord. KG, start here. Is that the latest one? I think it is. Go to streaming. No, it's under programming. Labyrinth. And then let's see, streaming assets, Labyrinth, I think Minnow. Paste. There he is. pg to i.ico. Cloud converts. Oh, how nice. 32 by 32. That looks right from my computer. Thank you, Cloud Convert. And then we can rename this to favicon.ico. And then we'll get a little Control-Shift-R. Yeah, there he is. There's a little minnow up in the corner. All right, so ah! There he is. All right, so let's do like an H2 and say join the kitchen gladiators. And we'll do a paragraph like become a kitchen gladiator and enter the Minotaur's culinary labyrinth. We'll call that H3 instead. And then I'm going to generate a different invite link for the website so we can, if we feel like it, we can see how many people came in through it. Let's see. invite people. Server settings. Invites. Create an invite link. All right, there we go. And we can go in href. Target, I think. Join. There we go. All right. Perfect. All right, we need to do class equal header. Display flex direction column, align item center. And let's steal some of Saren's text because she's a better writer than I will ever be. Okay. Rated fridge. That's a bit hard. You know, we'd have to be road tripping for a while. Or we get one of Zem's extending forks, but like really long. A cross-continental fork. Okay. We need some inspiration for this this situation. Make sure I'm not leaking anything over here. Hang on. The only thing I have under my inspo tab is a screenshot from Delicious and Dungeon. Because it's the only dungeon and food related thing I could possibly think of. Yeah, we're, you know, might need to prop it up on a couple buildings. Why is there a co-pilot just hanging out? Get out of here, co-pilot. You already ruined GitHub. Haven't you done enough, co-pilot? Scrolling. I also have... This is his study, the Minotaur's study. That I made for a video that isn't out yet. It's his reading room. It's not his evil lair, it's where he goes to read. The evil lair needs to be more evil. The Minotaur is a complicated guy. An evil reading room. How do I want this to look? I kind of want one of those like parallax scrolling things, you know, those like landing pages where you scroll and like the page shifts a little. And I, of course, want the Minotaur. I don't know, maybe if you scroll down, he kind of like pops up. Let's see. Are there any like dungeon repeating brick pattern? Are any of these are on free pick? I haven't been to D-Brand. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that. I know there's some like view tools for this. So I won't have to like roll it all myself, but Right? That is pretty slick. Does this repeat? I think it does. Is this free? What's the license on this? How to attribute? How and where? If you think... Designed by Free Pick. Designed by Free Pick. Cover designed by Free Pick. It's not a good sign that when I click the license, it doesn't actually take me to the license. I don't want the premium license. I want the free license. What do you give me in the free license? You're so mean. You know what? I bet if I download the zip file, it's got a license in here. Ah, there we go. License free. This only applies if you're as an unsubscribed user. Hey, that's me. You must attribute the image to its author. Please copy paste this code. For printing, you are not allowed to archive it. I don't think you can say that. What happens if the Internet Archive scans my website? You might also like these vectors. I don't think any of these are vectors. But I will download this one in case I want it. The trouble with that is that I don't have any art for the lower half of the Minotaur. So to have him come down a tunnel, right? Love this. This is a great website. Real well done. Let me... There we go. Okay. Oh, this one's kind of ugly. Whatever, download it anyway. He's moving so fast down the corridor. He's got redshift. He's coming for you. Oh, god dang it. They still haven't fixed their... There we go. Okay, we're in uncharted territory with this. So this is probably going to look dumb. But, you know, you have to start out looking dumb. Did I put it in... I put it in the wrong damn folder. Are you serious? You included 1 pixel of black? Y'all are so mean! I want my free assets to be perfect. I paid so much money for this asset. Wait, there's no black line there. Oh, is it on the left? It's on the left. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. What the hell's that about? The Pixel comes with a premium subscription. Let's hope the art holds up without 1 pixel. Did we just JPEG a JPEG? I think we just did, but, you know. I think I can do center. I think it's that. And yeah, but we're going to layer on top of it. So don't worry. Do not worry. I'm not sure how I'm going to do this, but we are. Yeah, right now it's very RuneScape-y. Need that MIDI music to play. Enter the password, the bright yellow text. My thought is we can like darken this up similar to what I did for his like this was a very bright background, and then I applied this like filter over top of it to make it look like the glow. So my thought is we can kind of do something similar. So this is like the studio lit. And we can kind of apply a little bit of a cheese to it to make it work. Can I do CSS background blending mode? Does it have that? Can we blend? Oh my god, we do have background blending modes. Oh my god. I hope it's Brie. Alright, CSS gradient editor. I want 3 stops. Let me do this on screen so, you know, it's not some hidden nightmare. Alright, how do I add a stop here? Yeah, give me that 50. Hello? Actually, I think it... Hey! 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 What the fuck? What'd you do? So friggin' rude. I think we need... Can I copy this? Yeah, there we go. Like that. I will take this, please. 20. This should be... I should even this out. This should be 75. Hello? No. 75, please. So let's do 30 and 70. Copy that to clipboard. Hello? No. God dang it. I swear. Okay, if we do that, then we get this, which isn't great. Position size. If I just put multiply on here, is that going to work? Oh, I don't like that at all.